Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today I got two Monte Carlo SS's. We're gonna start with this one. We're gonna do a walk around video on it. Right after this video, I'm gonna do a test drive of this car. When I get back, I'm gonna do the same thing, a walk around video and a test drive of this one. You can see all of our inventory at maplemotors.com. We sell American classics. I update that inventory every Monday. I do have shipping. I do have financing available. I have 100 detailed pictures of every car. And of course, if you hit subscribe on this channel, you get to see these detailed videos going over everything that's wrong with them. We're gonna get started on this one here, so definitely hit the notification bell. It'll let you know every time I post a car. Today we're gonna be walking around a 1985 Monte Carlo SS. This one's 11.9. It's got the 5.0 under the hood. And we're gonna be going over anything that I could see that may be wrong. And first off on this one, the paint job is a little weak. I'll be showing you some of the stuff and what I mean. Let's get started. So looking around the front end, you can see right here where they got all the sticker kit running around, it's chipped up. It's got scratches. And the front bumper's a bit faded. You're not gonna get much shine out of this unless you buff on it. See right up here in the front corner, it's got a chip. I'm gonna run down the lower portion first, come back to midsection, then we'll run back to top. We'll do the same for the passenger side. You got decent tires on them, not bad. You can see all the stickers got cracks. Got some road grime down there on the bottom. Years of rocks kicking up from the tires. But I'm mainly looking for rust bubbles popping through, and I haven't seen many, or any at all, until right now. See that down here? Right there. Got some rust coming through. Coming up around this fender. Stickers are gone back here. And you got some more rust in the back quarter. The very bottom where the water gets stuck. And of course the stickers are all bad back here. It needs to be peeled off. Car would look a lot better with all that gone and replaced. Dual exhaust out the back. Coming back to midsection, we got a chip in the paint right here. Heading on down. Got some chips up here. And the edge of the door has got a few chips as well. Your mirror here has a few scratches and it's nice and oxidized there. Still got a little bit of shine on the paint, but as you can see, not much. Got some chips on top of the fender there, as well as here. Okay, a little bit higher on the car. Got a few chips popping up here on the pillar. Windshield's in great shape. Not really any chips on it. Looking across the roof, same thing, a little oxidized. Little chip there. The trunk looks like it has a big scratch on it. We'll be dropping this down and checking it out after we do the trunk, which is coming up now. As I come up on the trunk, you can see this right here. Paint's trying to chip off of that plastic piece there. This side doesn't look terrible. The jams are nice and clean. The weather stripping looks good. The trunk looks awesome. Not all rusted out, it's in good shape. Got a spare tire over here in the corner. Checking the package tray. Solid. Had a nice pretty trunk that I done messed up, didn't I? We'll fix it after the video. Coming down. Squeaky. So squeaky. It's a WD-40. Got some paint coming off here in the back. I mean, you could drive the car the way it is. If you want it to be nice, put a paint job on it. You can see it's got some scratches. All right, see my shadow's in the way. I'm gonna start up in the front here and we're gonna work our way backwards to try to get the shadow out. Okay, that worked. Starting up here in the front, going down all the lower panels, hitting the midsection and ended on the top. That's when we'll jump on the inside. Do have a few chips. The lower portion down here, you got some rock chips. I got under the paint, a little surface rust trying to come through. Nothing major, that can't be fixed right away. Got some cracks at the bottom there. Looks like the rust on this car is right here in these back quarters. Very small amount there. Coming back to midsection. Paint's thin, scratches. You got a chip right there above your top side of your door. Fender has a few little scratches on the edge there. All right. There's a chip right here. Right there by the window. Okay, made it all the way around this car. Let's go ahead and check the interior out and get her started up. Door opens nice and easy. The interior looks awesome on this thing. Door panel is practically new looking. I mean, really. The seat's in great shape, a little faded, but that comes with these interiors here. Seen a lot of them fade out through the years. The package tray's in good shape. The back seat looks good. The headliner is in near perfect shape. The dash, I'd have to say the same thing. I mean, it's just nice on the inside here. Go ahead, place your bets. You think that horn works? Kind of smells like cherries. I think somebody's got an air freshener in here somewhere. Oh, there's a crack in the dash. And over here, once I move the paperwork, it was hiding a crack. We'll go ahead and start her up. Nice and quiet, starts up nice. Tilt. Windshield wipers, working good. Tach's coming up. Car's showing 83,000 miles on the dash. I'll go ahead and zoom in so you can see that. Looks like our gas gauge came up, the volts, temp, oil, all that's working. Let's try our AC. Heard the compressor just kick on. It's freezing cold out here, so I'm not gonna be able to tell if it's blowing cold or not. I can tell you one thing, it's not coming through these vents. It's coming through the top of the dash right now, and it feels pretty warm. So we're putting out heat and we're on max AC cold. The compressor's kicking on, so may having a little bit of an issue with the AC. It'll have to be fixed. Kind of sounded like it was switching there for a second. Yeah, you'll have to fix it. It's definitely blowing hot air. Radio's working good. How about that horn? Y'all ready? Oh, man, I would have put money that this one worked. Huh. Well, no horn on this one. Let's go ahead and check our lights and turn signals real quick. We got the headlights on and the left turn signal on. It's popping up on the dash. Got one headlight out, one of the high beams. Tail lights are working and turn signals are on. Let's try the other one. Okay. Good deal. We just got a high beam out. Let's go ahead and listen to this motor, listen to the exhaust, and I'll give you some undercarriage shots. Then we'll take her down the road for a test drive. Pretty quiet, good sound to it. Same with the motor. All right, we're gonna shut down the hood. See, some of the insulation's a little bit weak on here. Shutting the hood down, it's coming down nice and easy. I'm barely pushing on it. Not having to struggle with it. And a firm push down. Does have chips, scratches on it. I don't see any major dents. Okay guys, I'm gonna give you these undercarriage shots. On my test drive video, I'll do a drive over, put a light under the car, that way it lights the whole undercarriage up. You can see it really well, or you could go to maplemotors.com, see the detailed pictures, and it does have undercarriage shots. Let's look under this one. All right guys, I appreciate you watching. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. I post videos daily. You can also hit that notification bell. It'll alert you every time a video pops up. That way you can be one of the first to see the car. And of course, I've been telling you the whole video, maplemotors.com is my main website. I do put new cars on that every Monday. I have finance and I have shipping available. I have detailed pictures of every car. You just have to visit that website. I want to thank y'all for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. We have a lot of videos here on YouTube that you could check out of cars in the past, cars right now. And of course I post every day, so. Y'all have a good one, guys. I appreciate you watching. Thanks again.